This is my 2012 Honda Civic Hybrid, and this is all the stuff I'm about to use to transform all these nasty nicks and scratches and scuffs. Alright guys, so to make things easy for you to see, I have separated the 3 steps that you're going to be doing here. Now here are all the items that you're going to need. So firstly, what you're going to be doing is cleaning the car, making sure that there are no like dusts and debris that are going to get in the way of things for when you actually put the paint on the car. You definitely don't want that. So what you're going to do here is, I literally just have some dish soap here, and I have a bunch of water, and I have a spray bottle to make things easier on myself here. And I also have some clay bars. Now these are not completely necessary, but they will certainly help to get the smaller debris out of your car's paint. And also some isopropyl alcohol, always a good idea when cleaning the surface of your car. It really helps out. All right, now moving on. We are going to be then filling up the cracks in the paint, such as this, cracks or holes, with some filler, and we're going to be smoothing it over with some spreaders. And to make sure that none of that stuff or any of the other stuff we use gets on anywhere else that we don't want, we're going to be using some painter's tape. And now after we fill up the cracks and holes, we are also going to be using a primer, but specifically a sandable primer, so that we can sand it afterwards and make it look all smooth. So we're going to be using an 80 grit all the way to a 2500 grit, and this is going to help us out. If you have any type of just normal sponge in your house, we're going to be wrapping the sanders around it, and it's going to make an even sand. Alright, and then after we do the sanding, we are going to be actually using the paint color of our car. You see we have black here, and it's the exact black of my 2012 Honda Civic Hybrid. The reason you want the exact paint is so that it looks good. It doesn't look like some cheap stuff. Actually matches up. You're definitely going to want to get the exact paint of your car, and to do that, you can actually go over to Automotive Touch-Up. This is where I got mine, and it is the exact color of my car. Going to be very helpful, and I'm going to be testing it out on this. It was actually included in the package before I do anything. By the way, I forgot to mention that the way you'll know the exact paint color of your car isn't by eyeballing it, but it will be to look, for example, inside the door, and you'll see the actual paint number that's on there. For my car, this is what it is. Now after you got the exact color of your car on, then you're going to want to put on a clear coat. This is kind of standard to put on clear coat after the actual paint, you know, just any regular auto shop. So after we do that step and this step, we have cleaned the car, we have went ahead and done the paint work, then we are going to be making it look all pretty. So here we have some compounds here. Doesn't have to be these exact compounds, but you're just going to want to get some compound for your car, and it's going to make the look of it, the detailed look of it, look a little bit better. We're going to be using some microfiber towels, and we got some polish here, which is going to be the main scenario here. That's going to really help us to make it look good, and then to protect it at the end, which isn't quite necessary, but it will help a lot, we have some sealant. But yeah, that is going to be it. We're going to be cleaning, we are going to be painting, and we are going to be polishing. And honestly, we're probably going to be doing a lot and doing it a lot of time, so we're probably going to get a little hungry, in which case you might need an Oreo. And I'm going to be transforming this dinky, dirty Honda Civic Alright guys, this is a few days later, but just to show you the after of it. Happy I was able to pull this together, and yeah, happy I was able to show you guys the steps too. Looks a little bit dirtier now, but definitely huge improvement from before, and now it's kind of looking a lot better. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you so much